Hi, I'm Kelvin Steve Olu, the founder of Replast Engineering Nigeria. Replast Engineering Nigeria is a startup that focuses on converting plastic waste into eco-friendly building products, such as interlocking pavement bricks and interior decor tiles. We are a company that is committed to fulfilling SDG goals 8, 11, and 14. At the moment, Replast Engineering Nigeria collects plastic waste from our local community, brings them to our plant where they are being shredded, mixed with fine aggregates under the right processing conditions to make very high quality, durable, eco-friendly building products. We have access to a workforce that can enable us convert about 1,000 tons of plastic waste into eco-friendly building products such as interlocking pavement bricks, but it can only convert 50 tons in a day because of limited machineries. So we are seeking out for this funding to actually help in expanding our business and increasing the volume of plastic waste that we can convert into eco-friendly building products. We are a company whose mission is to reduce the volume of plastic waste by 90%. Thank you.